Hey, Wild and Free family. Forgot to feed my rabbit this morning because I had to go to church. And I only have 60 seconds on this one because it's going to be a short. Whatever. I have to feed my rabbit. Go quick. I got to get the hay for him. Yummy. Ugh. We're going up to the bonnet. Yummy. Butterflies, everyone. Oh my gosh, a bunch of them. If you don't have one of these booble sniffers, what is wrong with you? These things are adorable. Well, unless you're allergic to them. I feel bad for you, because they're so cute. Look at these things. So cute, the booble sniffle. Have a fresh bowl of water for him. Here you go, Azzies. That'll be it. Yeah. He's adorable, and he's my favorite bun buns.